Ah! Oh no! You driving for me?
Yeah.
All right, take us to the field. I just got a phone call that someone is coming for a whole bunch of hay. So I need to go find Hudson so he can help me bale up all the hay. So let's go find him really quick. I think he's on another tractor plowing up a field. So let's go find him. Hudson, Hudson. I know you're working and you're trying to plow up this field, but someone is coming for a whole bunch of hay and I need your help, okay?
Okay.
Can you help me?
I want to show you something first.
Okay, what do you got?
I need to like lower.
Oh, you need to lift up your plow? Look at that, that's perfect. All right, we need to go find the round baler tractor, okay?
Okay.
So we can make some big round bales for hay because someone's coming for a whole bunch of hay so they can feed their horses and their cows, all right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it, come on. You see the round baler?
Yeah.
Right there, there it is. Let's get inside, we gotta get to work, okay?
Okay.
I'll go with you, come on, let's go. Can you open the door?
Yeah.
All right.
I know how to open this door now.
Let's see your muscles, can you open it? There you go. Open, open, open. All right, are you gonna drive it or what?
Yeah.
All right. All right, you driving for me?
Yeah.
All right, take us to the field. All right, Hudson, we're here in the hayfield. How's the round baler look? Does it look ready? What do you think? Okay, you take some of the hay off?
Yeah.
Okay, take some of that off.
This one, go in the engine and
Yeah, we don't want that to happen.
like break this thing down.
Okay, so let's check that side. This looks pretty good now. Let's go over here. It's a pretty big tire. Can you climb it? That's as big as you are. Oh, can he do it? Can he do it? Oh, he did it! King of the castle! Let's see those muscles. Boom! You gonna jump? Whoa! All right, Hudson, I think everything looks pretty good. You ready to help me bale some hay?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Come on. There you go. Let's go bale some hay. Let me up there! Ah! Let me up! Ah! Oh no! It knocked you up too? Ah! All right, my turn.
Oh no!
Ah! All right. Oh no! Now that we've made a lot of round bales, we gotta go pick them up, okay? Ah! So let's go pick up the round bales, come on. So we finally baled up all the hay, and this is the perfect tractor, you know why?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we got stabbed.
That's right, we gotta stab the big round bales, and on front of the tractor, it's got a spear so we can stab all the hay. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go stab some hay, come on. Thank you guys for watching. We got the hay loaded up for the horses and the cows when they get here, didn't we? High five. Make sure you guys thumbs up, like, subscribe, watch more of our videos. Bye.